If you are planning to take admission in Bachelor's of Physiotherapy 2026, then this video will give you a clear and updated understanding of the NCAHP guidelines, NEET requirements, and the current admission pathways. I will keep it simple and straight to the point based on the official updates. So let's first talk about the NCAHP policy update. So, the National Commission for Allied Healthcare Profession has mentioned two major updates regarding the BPT admission. First was on the 9th of January 2026. It was officially communicated that NEET would be used for the BPT and the BOT admission for the session 2026-2027. However, on 2nd March 2026, this decision was deferred to the 2027-2028 academic year due to the logistical reasons and the large candidate volume. So for 2026, NEET is not mandated. So what are the basic eligibility criteria for the BPT admission as per NCAHP? First, the student must pass 10 plus 2 in physics, chemistry and biology, must have minimum 50% of aggregates. For SC, ST and OBC, the minimum is 40% and English must be passed. So these are the standard eligibility criteria under NCAHP. So what about NEET now? Even though earlier guidelines mentioned NEET, for 2026, NEET is not compulsory. From 2027-2028 onwards, NEET is expected to be implemented. So right now, students should not only rely on NEET exam, they should also focus on the state entrance exam and also the university's admission criteria. So now let's talk about what are the current admission routes for 2026. Since NEET is not mandatory for the 2026 admissions, but admissions are happening through number 1, Esmineta CET 2026 Cuttack, entrance exam scheduled in June, CUET UG, used by several central and the private universities. Next is the Genpass UG West Bengal, main exam in the BPT in West Bengal. Next is the AIMS BSc paramedical entrance exam. This is a separate exam for the AIMS campuses. And in some states, class 12 PCB merit or the state CETS. So your main focus should be on your state entrance exam and the university eligibility route. Are some colleges still using NEET? In West Bengal, most of the colleges follow GenPass UG strictly, while some private colleges may accept NEET scores. In states like Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh, many colleges have shifted back to PCB merit or the state CETS. So NEET is not required or compulsory for 2026 admission, but some universities and colleges are still accepting NEET scores. So for 2026 PPT aspirants, you must focus on your state entrance exams or the counseling process. Maintain good PCP marks in 12th. Don't rely only on NEET and always verify the updates from the official sources. So this is the current situation for the BPT admission 2026 based on the official updates and the policy changes. So if you want, then I can make a separate video on BPT colleges in your respective states. Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video.